Want to bulk up fast without just packing on fat? This mass gainer trick might be what you're missing. Mass gainers can be powerful, but only if you use them right. Today, we're breaking down how to actually use mass gainer to build muscle without getting fluffy. Mass gainers are high-calorie shakes packed with protein and carbs, designed to help you eat more than you burn. That calorie surplus? It's key for muscle growth if you're training hard. The best time to take a mass gainer? Right after your workout. That's when your muscles are like sponges, soaking up nutrients to grow and recover. Or use it between meals if you struggle to hit your daily calories. Pop quiz. What's the ideal macronutrient balance in a good mass gainer? A. 80% carbs, 10% protein, 10% fat. B. 50% carbs, 30% protein, 20% fat. C. 70% protein, 20% carbs, 10% fat. Drop your answer in the comments. Reveal coming up. Watch out. Some mass gainers are just sugar bombs with filler carbs. You want one with clean carbs, like oats or sweet potato, not straight maltodextrin. And check that protein source. It should be whey, not some mystery blend. The answer? B. 50% carbs, 30% protein, 20% fat. That gives you sustained energy and muscle fuel, without the crash. And if you're lactose intolerant, go for a plant-based or dairy-free formula. Want to level up? Blend your gainer with real food, banana, oats, almond butter, and always track your weight and strength gains. If you're not progressing, your gainer might be working against you. Mass gainer isn't magic, but when used right, it works. Get the full guide linked below. Smash that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for real fitness tips every week.